Behold the destroyer. Steel giants await as fire and fury build beneath the lights. This is unstoppable force. The legend is real. Welcome to Lisa's Story Corner. I am so glad you're here. You probably guessed it. Our book today is about monster trucks. Ethan builds a monster truck with the help of his dad. Do you have a favorite monster truck? A favorite color? Maybe green, orange, blue. Well, let's get ready to read and see how Ethan and his father are successful at building an actual monster truck. Please follow along with the reading. Ethan builds a monster truck. Ethan loves spending time in Dad's garage. One sunny Saturday morning, Dad had a very special surprise. "Ethan," he said with a big smile, "how would you like to build a real monster truck together?" Ethan's eyes grew wide with excitement. Dad showed Ethan the plans they would follow. The monster truck would be huge, big enough for both of them to ride in. "First, we need to gather all our materials," Dad explained, pointing to piles of metal pieces and giant tires. He started by building the frame. Dad taught Ethan how to measure each piece carefully. "Measure twice, cut once," Dad said with a wink. Ethan held the measuring tape while Dad marked where to cut the metal. Next came the welding. Dad put on his special welding helmet and showed Ethan how to stay safe. Ethan wore safety goggles and watched as sparks flew, and Dad joined the metal pieces together. "Welding is like magic," Ethan thought. Day by day, their monster truck took shape. The frame was strong and sturdy. "Now we need to add the axles for those giant wheels," Dad explained. Ethan helped by handing Dad the right tools and holding pieces steady. The most exciting part was mounting the enormous tires. Each wheel was taller than Ethan. Dad used a special jack to lift the heavy wheels, while Ethan helped guide them into place. "These wheels are awesome!" Ethan cheered. With the wheels on, it was time to add the engine. Dad explained how the powerful motor would make their truck roar to life. Together, they carefully lowered the big engine into place using chains and pulleys. Now came Ethan's favorite part, choosing the paint colors. "What colors should we use?" Dad asked. "Red, blue, and yellow," Ethan exclaimed. "It should be bright and bold, just like a real monster truck." They started painting together. Dad showed Ethan how to use the spray gun safely, while Ethan painted details with brushes. They painted lightning bolts on the sides and flames on the front. The truck was looking amazing. After the paint dried, they added the final touches. Dad installed the seats, steering wheel, and safety harnesses. Ethan helped by organizing bolts and screws. "We're almost ready for our first ride," Dad announced. The big moment had arrived. Dad turned the key and the monster truck roared to life with a thunderous sound. Vroom! The engine was so powerful that it made the whole garage shake. Ethan laughed with joy. They buckled up and slowly drove out of the garage. The monster truck was so tall that Ethan could see over all the cars and fences. "This is incredible, Dad!" Ethan shouted over the rumbling engine. They drove through the neighborhood, waving at amazed neighbors. Kids came running to see the awesome monster truck they had built. "Look what we made together!" Ethan called out proudly to his friends. They wanted a ride too. At the park, Dad let Ethan try driving in a safe, open area. With Dad's hands helping on the steering wheel, Ethan felt like the king of the road. "I can't believe we built this ourselves," he said. As the sun began to set, they drove their amazing creation back home. Ethan hugged his dad tight. "Thank you for the best adventure ever, Dad. I'll never forget building our monster truck together." Dad smiled and hugged him back. "Neither will I, son. Neither will I." If you'd like to take this story home to your family, the link is in the description. Remember, our next adventure is going to start with a book. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe to Lisa's Story Corner so you don't miss our next reading.